a bit of difference with these wheels and the original ones. And it came as a bit of a surprise to me. Let me show you. It has this on it. What is this stuff? Well, it's a seal on the spokes. So I don't know if you can read it, but it says somewhere, this wheel suitable for use with tubeless tires. For now, this is all sealed up and ready to go. To put the tire on, I found it best to do it upside down, so when you're pushing stuff in and using the tools, if you scrape anything up, it'll be on the back side and not the front side. The tire has a dot on it. The dot lines up with the valve. I have a spray bottle of soap and water. Lubrication really helps on this. I've done one already and it was not easy. Come on. The trick is to get this bead way down under there, so it's not trying to go actually where it is, but down in this deeper crevice, and that gives you some room to stretch it and get it in place. Let me start with these guys. There we go. Now that's the easy side. Next step. Get that way down in there. Go at it with these. And we're going to use this tool, take out the valve stem. So with the valve stem out, we're going to add some air to it, and that's going to set the bead around the edge. And the air all comes out. And put the valve stem back in, tighten it up. Then put some real air in it. If I remember right, it's 26 pounds, or 27 now. Yeah, it's close enough. And put the cap back on. That's it, you've now mounted a tire. The next step would be to balance it. We're not going to do that today.